So today I'm going on the airport. Well, let's go. Okay, put that in my purse. Cause I will be stranded forever. Yep. First class. Just wait. Ah, didn't mean to put that down. Oh, it's time to get... Let's get going. Oh. Hello. Hi. Would you like anything? No. No thanks. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like anything? No. No thank you. I'm good. Okay. I could just... Good, just take a nap for a little bit. What the heck? Oops. Oh, I gotta get going. Okay, time to... Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here. Look at that. Amazing. Sorry for long silence, it's just I want to experience it. I hope there's a bus stop here soon. Oh wait, look, a watch. Whoa, did you see that? That was a dolphin. Well, I'll see you in there. Well, this is where it ends. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, like and subscribe.